important is, remember I said in the beginning of the class, what's the best attribute you should have in life? A person should always have vision. A person, he's going to think, this button that I'm pressing here, this action I'm doing here, what's going to happen to it? What's it going to lead to? And what's the worst thing? Borrowing money and not paying it back, because that's the total opposite. You're reckless, right? Yeah. So there is a concept that we know as good Jews, there's the letter of the law and the spirit of the law, right? Sometimes you could go take shortcuts, but in your heart of hearts, do you know, even though it says that every 7 years it gets wiped off, the loans, all the great rabbis in Talmud would still pay it back. You know why? Because love your neighbor as yourself. Right. Let's say, somebody that borrowed the money may be jumping for joy now because he says, oh, halakha may say it's okay. But how about the person that had to put hours not spending time with his wife, kids, blood, sweat, and tears? Now his $1 million gets evaporated. So the truth is, even though it is very, 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 very good, ethical, godly, spiritual, right thing to do, is to pay back the people, even if you file bankruptcy. Because we find the bankruptcy of the Torah, the 7th year, all the rabbis, they would pay it back. There's many, many stories there in the Gemara. So somebody that still pays it back is obviously what? Praise worthy. He's worthy of praise.